What's up, y'all? Welcome back to, oh my gosh, did I really just forget my intro? What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Straight Out the Fridge. It's your girl Camille. Today is day 3 of Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed the last 2 days so far, but today's video is going to be kind of different. It is a bullet journal for December, and then Brandon's is Hulk inspired, so we got green and purple colors going on. So I'm gonna show y'all a quick flip through real quick, so stay tuned. Go ahead and give this video a like, and if you haven't, also go ahead and subscribe and click that button wherever it is so you get post notifications when I post. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned and thanks for watching. Happy holidays.